Hey everybody, welcome to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. It's a beautiful springtime day. We're getting ready for summer. It's coming real fast. So we're thinking about summer cocktails. Today's summer cocktail is what we call the Malibu Sunset. But before we start, my wife says that we really need to sexy these things up, so ladies, hold on. Okay.
I didn't mean you sexy now.
All right. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of coconut rum. And then we're going to use 3/4 ounce of spiced rum. Then what we're going to do, into an ice shaker, we're going to put 4 ounces of orange pineapple. That goes over ice. We then add the rum, and now we're going to give it a good shake. Ooh, that looks so good. Next step, we're going to fill our glass with crushed ice. Strain into the glass. And then to add a little bit of color, we're going to put a floater of Grenadine in there. Pour nice and slow. And I'll kind of drop to the bottom to give you a little bit of a pretty look. And what's a cocktail? What's a summer cocktail without your cocktail umbrella on an orange wheel? So that goes in there like that. Finish it off. We add a straw. It looks like I'm getting a bum rush from the beach.
Wait for this one. It's great. Thank you.
Ooh. So that, folks, is what we call the Malibu Sunset. If you like it, try it, drink responsibly, and don't forget to subscribe to Drunken Sailor on YouTube.